friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Jolly April earring reviews. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, jollyapparel.com is an online store based in United States that offers multiple products like health and beauty products, jewelry products, earrings, car accessories, etc. And here you can take a look at the exclusive and massive collection of ear wrap crawler hook earrings. Guys, you can take a look at the prices of these products as well, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about the payment information, the company accepts payment via Visa, MasterCard, Amex, PayPal, Discover and other online methods. And guys, talking about the shipping policy, so in the menu option button you will find FAQ section, and according to the website details, the delivery time is based on the shipping option that you have chosen, and once the order has shipped, the company will email your tracking number and tracking website. And guys, they have also mentioned that this company is not responsible for delays caused by the custom department in your country. So it's up to you. If you are looking to buy anything or jewelry products from this website, then you need to explore more about this website and their policies. Anyways guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the domain creation date, the domain name was created on 30th of July 2019, and this website is 1 year, 1 month, 24 days old website, which defines the legitimacy of this website. But guys, before making any decision, it is really very important to check further points like the contact details, the social media presence, customer reviews, etc. So guys, talking about the customer reviews, we have found no reviews about this website and the Jolly April earrings. So if you're looking to buy these earrings, then you need to research more about the particular website. Apart from that guys, they have not provided their company's official address, which makes the site quite suspicious. But they have provided the contact number and email address, and the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. And guys, talking about the refund policy, the company accepts 14 days return policy. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. If you have ordered ear wrap crawler hook earrings from this website, then please share your experience with us. It will give benefit to other customers while making any online purchase from this website. So guys, do more research about this website. Explore this website on the best level to receive the good results. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and subscribe our channel today. We would love to hear your views on the feedback guys, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.